Going crazy at the pit again today.
Stop playing with that flag!
Stop playing with me. Hey, that bitch bite, boy.
Oh my God, it's day 2!
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out?
Right shit, keep that in the trap, yeah. Right shit, meet me in the back, yeah. Rats, yeah, hit on with the gat, yeah. Smack, yeah, leave a nigga mad, yeah.
YouTube, what it do, man? In for another video. You know what I'm saying? We going crazy at the pit again today. biting. I swear to God. That bitch biting like a motherfucker. Shit, boy. Hey, that bitch bite, boy. I swear to God, bro. That shit there crazy.
Hey, it's a hole in your block, gang. Come on. Hey,
Y'all make it home anyway.
Oh, you doing it? Oh, it's a neutral.
That nigga blew a head gas.
I see that motherfucking smoke out the back. Damn. This ain't no car though.
We said this shit too.
Hey, that nigga blew his fucking water.
Nah, bro, it's just the blinker fluid.
Nigga say he wasn't gonna make it home no way though.
That's all it is.
I think it's good. Hey, it's time to rebuild.
Hey, who go get a baby oil? That bitch.
Shut up, Kevin Gates. Put your hands on it. And it
Hey, you was tuning this bitch yourself?
You want to say a prayer?
You was tuning this on yourself?
Before we start back
Man,
up.
go on, take this shit to somebody else, man. Go let somebody else.
This shit getting that.
Hey, it's just an expensive mistake. That's all it is, bro. You good, nigga.
And I got to pastor. We need somebody to pray.
That's all it is. Oh, what's up, man?
We was beating hard in the
Free! Now the nigga blew his motor. Now the nigga blew his motor, bro. This shit here crazy. What? He say he got 2 motors though.
I told y'all that.
Boy, that whole knocking. I said, ooh, they been knocking, bitch. You better not do it. What did I say? I told her.
I swear, bro. Before he even started though.
That's the most smoke ever had.
Boy, I swear to God.
My motor.
Hey, my
Hey, I swear to God, bro. But you did say that shit before we even started, bro. Hell no. That shit crazy. Come on, bro.
My motor?
You ready to learn? Not you, me. No, nigga, you ain't finna sway
Go get
shit.
the keys.
Come on, nigga, I'm right here.
I'll meet you when you get in the pit.
What you finna spin?
No, fool.
You finna spin? Teach him something. Go out there. Y'all got this. I gotta have a whole bunch of confidence in that bitch. You just keep on going and just keep on going. You know what I'm saying? Just keep on going.
Hey, but hey, rate the fit though, man. Fuck everybody on this snap though, on the Instagram. Rate the fit though.
10.
The fans real black.
Yeah, this shit crazy though. Bruh, nigga, I gotta get some tires tomorrow too.
This nigga, look at all this oil on the ground.
Well,
All this oil, that shit blue.
So Freeman had teaching me how to slide, bro.
You gonna teach yourself. If you don't hold that hole, you gonna be back in that wall over there.
I don't want to do it no more.
Man, I done walked down here.
I don't want to do it no more. See, niggas be talking like this. Niggas be talking like this. I don't even want to do it no more. See how it is hanging around two light skins, bro?
Come on with this slow ass car, this slow ass cat.
Bro, don't nobody care you got a cat, nigga.
I ain't got it.
Don't nobody care, nigga.
I'm gonna get you to bounce out.
Yeah, you just patting that bitch
So
too.
do what you do.
I know on Instagram.
So I'm starting right here?
Come on, do what you do. Stop thinking about it. Do what you do. You gotta get your hand. Look, you gotta get your feet with your hand.
Stupid ass. My name Moose up. I just cut Jalen one of that's out.
Nigga, shut up.
Hey, bro. Reek, man. Woo. Not twin in the field.
Yeah, you know how to pull up?
Man, hell yeah. Hey, you know me, I'm learning how to slide this shit, you feel me? I done got my shit out there twice. For shit so. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Can I get a wine?
That we just rolled through. What up, G?
What's up?
I'm learning how to slide this shit. You feel me? You good? What's up? Give me some. Give me some. For sure. Now my nigga Pat finna slide, man. You said what?
In the dark, in water.
Pat, how you feel, man?
A little nervous, but I'm alright.
Bro, you gotta be shit, bro. Shit, nigga, you seen me.
What I do with that?
Shit, I'm out here shit learning too. So you already know what it is, man. All right, Pat. Yes, sir. POV. Hello? Yeah, hey, this nigga been a spin. This nigga been a spin. Hey, let me call you right back. Yes, sir, man. Stop playing with that word.
Stop playing with me. Happy game.
Yeah, catch a LA vibe, California vibe.